Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing an update on one of my project pans. It's been a while. I feel like it's at least been like 2 months at least that I haven't uploaded an update video. So here we go. I'm finally doing one, and this is going to be my sample project pan. I don't know, I feel like this one, it's a lot easier to go through things and it's a little more exciting because I can switch things out. And also it's the easiest one for me to film, honestly. So let's get into this. I do want to start using more samples. I have kind of stopped using a lot of products lately just because of a lot of things going on. And finally, I have been starting to use them again. It's my first time actually wearing more makeup in a good amount of time too. I think it's been at least a month since wearing actual makeup on my face, so here we go. I'm not barefaced today, and let's just jump into this. So I'm going to start with the two makeup samples that I have in this project. One of them I am still working on, and one of them I have used up. And I say it like that because I didn't like it, and so I'm not going to finish it 100%. So the first one should be no surprise that I'm still working on, and that is the Kat Von D the Studded Kiss lipstick in, what was it called? I haven't even worn it so long I forgot the name of it. It's in Lolita, this middle shade here. I did manage to use this 4 times before I stopped wearing makeup, so still not great at all by any means, but you know, life happened, and that's what I have to share with you. So I'm not going to show you an up close of it. It doesn't look any different than before, but hopefully I can start incorporating this and wearing makeup more often going forward. The next makeup product, which I introduced the last update, is this Nars foundation and concealer sample. And what I found out is this is actually like has a set of colors in here, and this is the medium set. So all of these were too dark for me. Just kind of why I didn't finish it off, because they weren't dark enough to be used as like a cream contour or anything, but they definitely were way off for me to use as like full-on foundation, and even the concealer was off as well. And I was kind of hopeful that at least the concealer would work, but I made it work a couple of times, but it looked not quite right under my foundation, my normal foundation, because my concealer ended up being darker than the foundation. Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation and Radiant Creamy Concealer. So that's the 2 products that were in here. And I did try out the concealer. I used the lightest one, which is in the shade Custard. So right here, and I used this 4 times. I had opened Santa Fe because for some reason I thought that looked the lightest out of all of these, but it's actually shade medium 2. So then I was like, okay, well, let me try a different shade. So there was one that was the lightest shade in here, which was medium 1.2, and this one is in Patagonia, and that one was way off. Like, I don't know, definitely not the shade range for me. But I definitely gave them a good try. I think I used the foundation twice, so once of each color. And then the concealer in Custard, I ended up using 4 times before deciding that this is just not gonna work. So I didn't actually finish any of these little bubbles full of product because it's just not gonna work for me no matter what I do. I wish this would have been a light shade set because I'm still very, very interested in trying this out. The concealer, the couple times I used it, I actually kind of liked the way it wore, but it's just really kind of hard to tell when it's just not the right shade. So hopefully I'll be able to try the correct shade of this at some point because I didn't really get much of an opinion on the foundation. So the next packets that I was working on were all skincare. It's all from this brand Reversal. And I've been really enjoying these, although again, I did have to stop even using the skincare for a month. So my usage here is still not the greatest, but I was able to use it a little bit more before, you know, having to take a break from everything. Total throughout, since rolling this in, I've been able to use up 1 serum so far completely, 3 of the cleansers, so I am completely done with the cleanser, so that is one that is completed. So I can mark that off on my list as an accomplishment for this month. And then I used up 2 of the moisturizing concentrates so far, and I still have a little bit left, not much, of the moisturizing concentrate in this packet to go, and then the anti-redness serum in here. So this is what I'm still working on. I used the hydrating cleanser 9 times this past update, since last update basically. So that's why I have all 3 of those finished. And then I was able to use the moisturizer 10 times, but I'm still working on it, so that's a little bit more. And then I was able to use the serum 11 times, because the serum you only need a little bit and it goes a long way. Next, for body care, I had the Viktor and Rolf Bon Bon perfume that just fell out. Hold on, I think you got it. Here we go. This guy here. I finished it up completely, and I feel like I actually finished this last month, but because I didn't do an update that month, you know, I didn't share that. I didn't pull for a new one yet, but I will be pulling a new one today in this update. Okay, last thing that I had from last update is the shampoo and conditioner foil packet sample from Derma-E. This is their thickening shampoo and conditioner. Honestly, I finished this up pretty soon after my last update, and I don't remember my thoughts on it. I hate when that happens, but I think it was just okay. I don't think there was anything amazing about it. Yeah, but I did use it up, and it took me 3 uses of the shampoo and the conditioner to use this up completely. So now that we went over all of the updates from the products that I brought in or had still left over last time around, I'm gonna go through some of the products I'm rolling in. So this is the exciting part for me. And we can roll in, let's see, 1 makeup product, 1 skincare product, a body care product, and a hair care product. So 4 new samples to roll in. Let's start with the makeup products. I am the most excited about this. This is from Laura Mercier, and this is their, what is this? Their Caviar Stick eye color. And it comes in the shades Au Naturel, Amethyst, and Metallic Taupe. I have been really interested in this product in particular, and I'm so excited to try some shades, some multiple shades of it, and see what I think of them. For the skincare, I actually didn't realize that that set had a 4th item in it, so I am going to be rolling that in. I have not opened this yet. This is the Versal Exfoliating Glycolic Peel. So that'll be interesting to try out, and I still have a little bit left of the other 2, so this will be a good thing to add in and use. So looking forward to that. For the new perfume, because I just really enjoy switching up and trying different perfumes for this category, I'm going to be introducing the Yves Saint Laurent, what is this? The Mon Paris. And I feel like I've tried this before and I really like it. So hopefully it's the same. Maybe I should give it a little smell right now and see my thoughts. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna like this. We'll see, but I think I'm gonna like it. Hopefully it smells just as good on that it does when I just spray it. This last thing is the hair care sample that I'm gonna be introducing, and there's actually 3 foil packets here. We have a shampoo, a conditioner, and a scrub. So this is from Fakai, and it is their apple cider detox. That is everything. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this update. I know it's been so long since I last updated you on my project pans, so hopefully I didn't keep you waiting too long, but I appreciate you sticking around and hanging out and tuning in. Leave me a comment down below if you are doing a project pan, and if you've used anything up recently as far as samples go. Do you have a lot of samples? What are you using that's samples? I just want to know. I want to know all the sample stuff. Leave it down below in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you all next time. Take care, everyone. Bye.